Alright everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove bloatware without using your PC, only using your mobile without root. Alright, so let's get started. So first you'll need to download Kanta application from my description down below. So make sure to install this application and install this. Now open this application. Now this is going to show you disclaimer for no warranty. So yeah, just don't show this message again and you can proceed this. Simply tap and got it. If you wanted to remove some application from here, so let's say this one, AR emoji. If you try to uninstall this application right now, it will say that you need to install Shizuku. Yeah, just go ahead and install Shizuku from Google Play Store. Search here for Shizuku because we will need to do wireless debugging. So install Shizuku here and then simply open. You can see right now the Shizuku is not running. So we need to have Shizuku is running. All right. So to do that, you will need to start this, and also you need a pair code on wireless debugging. Now just you can simply tap on pairing, and you can also go to notification option. Make sure to enable all the notification because we need this just to put the wireless code. All right, so I'm just going to go back. Now you can see you have developer option here. So if you haven't turned on the developer option, you need to turn that on first. So now go to setting. So swipe down if you guys are on Samsung, and then simply hit on the setting button and swipe down and go to about phone, go to software information and tap 7 times on build number, just like this. Input your pin, continue. Now you guys are developer mode, or developer mode has been enabled. So you can go back once again and swipe down. You will see developer option, or you'll need to find that developer option, but you have already enabled that. So go to developer option, make sure you have turned this on. Make sure to go to debugging section. You can see that, and you will see wireless debugging. So toggle on the wireless debugging. Go to wireless debugging once again. This time you need to use pair device with pairing code, and you can see service found. All right, you need to enter pairing code, and this is the same pairing code that you guys will need to use. So it's 664206. 664206, and then simply send this, and you can see pair device, you can see Shizuku. So yeah, now this is good to go. Now go back. We have done this as well, so go back once again and simply hit on start, and there we go. It's starting right now, and this is what you guys want. Shizuku is running on ADB, so this is running on wireless ADB. Now go back to Kanta app. So now go back to Kanta. Now you are able to remove any apps that you guys wanted to. So back then we were not able to remove AR emoji sticker. So just tap and simply uninstall. Tap on OK. Allow this time, and whatever you guys have uninstalled, this will go to right side on this uninstall section. So you can simply restore them as well. Just you can restore by clicking on that button, and yeah. Also make sure to uninstall only recommended one. All right, so guys, you just don't want it to break phone by deleting read or export. This is mean like unsafe mode. You can try removing this like app cloud. This is also bloatware, AR emoji editor. I don't need them. AR Joan as well. So you can go ahead and find some bad apps or the bad bloatware that you guys don't need, and simply hit on delete or uninstall icon and simply tap on OK. There you go, you have done this. So it's that simple now to remove bloatware from your phone without root and without need a PC as well. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.